For years, Nokia has been one of the most trusted brands in the world. And now, after a long wait, Nokia is back with a bang. Introducing the Nokia Dragon Pro 2025, a smartphone that's set to redefine mobile technology. Packed with a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel DSLR camera, the most powerful mobile processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and a host of other premium features, this phone is a game-changer. If you're thinking of buying this beast, stick around till the end of this video, because we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of Nokia Dragon Pro 2025. First up, the display. This stunning smartphone comes with a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. But that's not all, it also boasts a 144 Hz refresh rate, a 390 Hz touch sampling rate, and a crystal clear resolution of 1440 x 3200 pixels. To top it off, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7, features an in-display fingerprint sensor, and is IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia Dragon Pro 2025 truly shines. It features a quad rear camera setup, headlined by a 200-megapixel primary sensor. Alongside it, you get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 32-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. And for all the selfie lovers out there, there's a 32-megapixel front camera. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute powerhouse. It's powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, making it perfect for professional-level gaming and smooth multitasking. Whether you're streaming, editing, or gaming, this phone can handle it all with ease. And to keep things fresh, it runs on the latest Android 15 out of the box. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Dragon Pro 2025 packs a massive 6500 mAh battery that supports 120-watt fast charging. Plus, it comes with a Type-C Gen 2 charging port, so you'll be back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? While there's no official confirmation yet, but leaks suggest the Nokia Dragon Pro 2025 could be priced around $700. And as for the launch date, mark your calendars, because this beast is expected to drop early next year.